friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Car Service Center Management System. And this project I have developed in the PHP and MySQL. And the version I am using is the PHP version 7 and the MySQL version is 5.6. So currently I am running this project in the XAMPP server. But if you have the WAMP server, then you can easily configure this project on the WAMP server. If you are using the Linux machine, then you can also configure this project on the Linux environment. And if you are using the Mac, then this project is compatible with the Mac also. Then for running the project in the Mac, you need the WAMP server. Okay, so the project title is Car Service System, and this project I have developed in Java, JSP, and PHP and MySQL. For front end, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, some of the jQuery library for giving this some of the good effects and creating the validations and integration of the date plugins. I'm using the jQuery plugin. Right, so let's start with the functionality. So the project title is Car Service System, and this is a mini project, not a major project, with the admin functionality only. Means admin can be able to do all of the things in this project. There is no customer functionality, there is no customer login inside this project. That's why it's a mini project, right? So this is the homepage of the project. As you are seeing, these are the homepage of the project, and if you want to change any of the images, then you can change it directly, replacing those images into the folder. This is the about project. So this is the about project, and you can change this about section also. This is the search bill. So suppose if you have the bill id, then if you want to take a printout, then you will enter the bill id header here, and once you click on the search, then you will be able to get the bill details here, right? And if you enter any invalid bill, then you will be able to get that sorry invalid bill, then you will be able to get that no bill found message, right? This is the login form from where admin will be able to log in. If you have the proper credential, then you will be able to log in. If you don't have the proper credential, then it will show you invalid user ID and password. This is the contact us section from where you will be entered the contact us information. I am not saving this data anywhere in the database. Then you can see that this is a static form, but it's only a form. Okay, none of the database is available for this form. Okay, so let's start with the admin login. So this is the admin login. Once you click on the login, then you will get the dashboard for the admin, and the same menu is available here also, right? You can see, then you can either jump on the page from here, or you can either jump from on the page from here also, right? So let's start and go through one by one functionality. So again, home, I have already explained you about us. This is the dashboard. One more thing I want to explain you. So the above menu is totally session driven, right? If you log out from the system, then above menu will be changed. If you log in inside the system, the above menu will be changed. So it's a session driven system menu, right? So this is the dashboard, this is the administration, and if you click on the add vehicle, then you will be able to add the vehicles. Then in this, and what you can enter the vehicle number, owner name, mobile, email, total kilometer, last service date. So I have added the date plugin here. You can see chassis number, service cost, and vehicle company. So this all drop downs, all of the drop downs which is available in the project is totally dynamic, and the value of those drop downs are coming from the database. Okay, and the service details. This is the add servicing. So in this service form, you will select the vehicle first, and service date and service cost and the full details. So that what the things you have added in that service, you will be able to add it here. This is the service entry form. This is the add bill. So this is the add bill form from where you will enter the customer name and the mobile, and after that you can generate the bill just like that. If I am enter the Rahul Kumar and customer mobile number like that, right? And suppose if you have more items, then you can add more items. If you want to remove items, then you can remove items here, right? So I am adding so service cost, right? And quantity is 1, unit price is suppose 2000 rupees, and total cost is 2000 rupees, right? Then the total cost is calculating automatically, right? And the engine oil, and the quantity is suppose 6 liter, and the total unit price is 200 rupees per liter. Suppose it's at 1200 rupees, right? And the engine oil, and after that brake oil. Okay, and the quantity is 1, and the cost of brake oil is 400 rupees, and total cost is 400 rupees. The total cost is 3600 rupees. If you click on the save on print, then you can do that. If you want to add more item, then you can add it from here. Suppose if I want to add brake repairing, right? And and the cost is 200 rupees and total cost is 200 rupees, right? Then the total cost is 3800 rupees. If you click on the save and print, then you will be able to get the things, right? Then if you also this will be printed here also, and the bill id is 9. So if I search that bill id from the front end panel, then the same page will be displayed, right? So this is the add bill section, and this is the vehicle report. Then what the vehicles you have added will be displayed here, and if you want to click edit, then you will be able to edit and update the vehicles from here also, right? Then this one is a service report. So the same form is available but with the details. Then you can edit the details, then the service form is opening, and if you click on the details, then you will be able to print the details, and if you click on the print details, then you will be able to uh, see the printer details of that part, right? This is a bill report. Then all the bills which you have generated will be displayed here. So the last bill which I have generated is the Rahul Kumar, and if you click on the view details, then you will be able to see the details of that part, right? And then the bill id is 9, and the my account section, from where admin will be able to update his account, and the change password and the logout section. So this is all about the project car service, and I am again searching on the bill number 9, right? So this is the bill number 9. Okay, so this two pages is totally dynamic. Okay, so this project, this is the full functionality of the project car service system. And as I told you earlier that this is a mini project and it's not a major project, but if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes and I will make this project according to your needs. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest videos on the latest projects. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.